Hare Krishna devotees. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about another variation of the Roopak Taal. So in the previous video, I assume that you all have seen that video and practice the Roopak Taal base variation, whatever we have learned. So this is, I feel, more easier version of the Roopak Taal. But devotees can choose whichever version they feel, variation they feel comfortable to play. You can apply that. The bowls for both the variations are same, only the hand movements change. Okay, so in the previous variation which we learned of the Rupak Taal, if you see, we are using both the hands together. So what are the bowls? Gheteti gheta gheta, kheteti kheta kheta. So in the ghe, if you see, we are using big side open plus three finger close. Ghe. Then te and ti are same. One finger out. Ghe, te, ti. Then again ghe is same. I will not repeat the full thing, but ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ta. And khe we are playing same, both hands together. Big side close, three finger. Khe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ta. So how together we play? Ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ta, ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ta, ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ta, ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ta, ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ta, ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe, ta, ghe, te, ti, ghe, ta, ghe. Okay, this is also easy. But in this video, we are going to use one hand at a time simultaneously, not both together. Okay. So ghe is bowls are same. Gheteti, gheta, gheta, gheteti, kheta, kheta. Now ghe is only big side open. There is no other side. Okay. So ghe, ghe. Te is three finger closed. Okay. Don't get confused. You can refer the previous video. So te is three finger closed. Then ghe, te. T is one finger out. So ghe, te, ti. 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 Okay, hope you got it. Ghe, te, ti. Gheta, gheta. So ta is same, one finger out. Ghe is same, big side open. Gheta, gheta. Gheta, gheta. Gheta, gheta. Now combine. Ghete, ti, gheta, gheta. Ghete, ti, gheta, gheta. Ghete, ti, gheta. Ghete, ti, gheta, gheta. Ghete, ti, gheta, gheta. Ghete, ti, gheta, gheta. Ghete, ti, gheta, gheta. Simple. Now next part. Kheteti, kheta, kheta. Khe is only big side close. Okay. So apart from that, we are not adding anything on the right side. Okay, sorry. So khe, khe. Te is three finger closed. Ti, khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta, khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta, khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta. Okay. Khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta, khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta. I would like to request you, you can chant the mantra, then you play. Okay. So both you practice separately. Gheteti, gheta, gheta, then kheteti, kheta, kheta. Now I will slowly show you combining both the patterns. Okay. Okay. Ghe, te, ti, gheta, gheta, khe, te, ti, kheta, kheta, ghe, te, ti, gheta, gheta, khe, te, ti, gheta, gheta, ghe, te, ti, gheta, gheta, khe, te, ti, gheta, gheta, ghe, te, ti, gheta, gheta, ghe, te, ti, gheta. Now this side you see Ghee te ti gheta gheta khete ti kheta kheta gheta ti gheta gheta khete ti Vrindavana Ramastana Diva Chintamani Dha Ratna Mandira So separately I will make another video for the practice of the Kirtan. So till then you practice both the variation. Whichever you feel comfortable, you play that variation. Okay, either Roopak Taal or this new variation which we learn. But I feel both are simple. Okay, so we will meet in next video where we will learn application of this Roopak Taal. Okay, in the Vrindavana Ramya Sthana Kirtan. Hare Krishna.